Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to create an ISO image file from any folder using built-in Windows tools. This process is straightforward and doesn't require any third-party software. Here, I have a folder containing multiple subfolders, and I want to use this to showcase how to create an ISO image file. Make sure your folder is organized and contains all the files and subfolders you want to include in the ISO. This could be documents, images, or any data you wish to store. To create the ISO image, I'm going to use a free PowerShell script. Head over to this GitHub website and click on New ISO File. Once you're there, select the source code. You have two options. You can either download the script directly or simply copy it to your clipboard in raw format. I'm going to copy the entire script function to the clipboard now. This script will allow you to create an ISO image file easily and efficiently. Now, go back to the Windows Start menu and run the PowerShell terminal. Once it's open, you'll want to right-click in the terminal window to paste the whole function you copied earlier. When prompted, press Paste Anyway to confirm that you want to insert the script. After pasting, press Enter. This will execute the script. Now, type New ISO File to run the function. The script will prompt you to specify the source folder. Select the folder on your desktop that you want to convert into an ISO image. Right-click on the folder and choose Copy as Path from the context menu to get the full path. Next, you'll need to define the destination for the ISO file. This should be the absolute path, including the name you want to give the ISO file itself. Make sure to specify the directory where you want to save the ISO, followed by the desired file name and the ISO extension. Once you've entered the destination path, hit Enter to proceed. If you encounter an error during this process, don't worry. It's a simple fix. Just rerun the command, but this time, remove the quotation marks from both the source and destination paths. After making that adjustment, hit Enter again, and the script should execute without any issues, successfully creating your ISO image file. Depending on the quantity and size of the files within your folder, this process may take some time. Be patient as the script works through creating the ISO image file. Once it's complete, you'll have your ISO ready to use, and all your data will be neatly packaged in one ISO file. To mount the ISO file once it's created, simply press Enter or select the Mount option from the context menu. You'll see that the files and folders look identical to what you had in your original directory. If you want to verify that they are indeed the same, you can compare the properties of both the ISO and the original folder. They will display the same items and sizes. Congratulations on successfully creating and mounting your ISO image file. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.